Okay, how do I simplify 32 to the 2 over 5? The power of 2 over 5. So, first things first, let's write it again. Okay, there's a reason why it's a red too. I just wanted to write it in red. Here, first things first, let's rewrite it into a radical form. So let's have my radicand, which will be radicand or base, which is 32. We have our exponent. Exponent is 2. And our index is always the denominator, which is 5. So let's rewrite it into radical form. So 32 goes inside. Exponent is 2. Index is 5. Okay. So how many 32s do we have? We have 2 of them. So I'm going to write it 2 times. 32 times 32. Okay. So what this means is I'm just going to factor 32 out. So that's 8 times 4, 2 times 4, 2 and 2, 2 and 2. Same thing here. Times 4, 8 times 4, 2 and 4, 2, 2, 2 and 2. Now we've done prime factorization. So let's count how many 2's we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 2's. So let's rewrite our problem here and let's expand. So this is equal to, so I have 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. So when we are simplifying, we are looking at our index. So imagine going to prom and they tell you to, in order to go inside, you must have 5 tickets of the same thing. So, and that's how you are able to get in prom. So let's do 5 tickets. So let's get 5 pairs of 2. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see if we can get more. We get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, look. I have 2 pairs of, I have 2 pairs of 5 pairs of 2's. So I'm going to only write it once whenever they're boxed and multiply them together. And I should get 4. So 32 to the 2 over 5 is equal to 4. Okay. So you are looking for the amount of pairs based on your index. If you have any questions, write it in the comments so I can get back to you. Here is the additional way, another way to do it. Let's see. Here's another way to do it. Erase this here. So we now know just by prime factorization. So we know this here. 32. That's 32 squared. 5 here. This is the same thing as saying 32 times, sorry, before we do that, 32 times 32, right? And now let's rewrite it back into fraction. Exponential form. So we get 32 to the 1 over 5 times 32 to the 1 over 5. And we know to make 32, there's 5 2's. So I'm replacing 32 with 5 2's, and I'm putting the exponent back. Same thing here. 1/5. And then we multiply the exponents. So here's a side note. 5, when we multiply exponent and exponent, when there's an exponent to the exponent, it is multiplication. So this is called power of the power. So when we multiply, we are multiplying across. So if it's a whole number, put a 1 underneath and multiply across. So you should get 5/5. So we get 2 to the 5/5 times 2 to the 5/5. And we know that 5/5 is just 1. So this becomes 2 times 2, which is 4. So those are 2 ways you can do this problem. So this is also a property. Whenever you get this actually equals 5√32 times 5√32, which can be rewritten as this here. Okay, again, if you have any questions, write it in the comments.